According to a report by McKinsey, people spend on average 1.8 hours every day searching and gathering information. And Kurator is designed to make it easy for you to gather, organize, and find that information. Each collection in Kurator has a number of filters, and these filters can be both searched and activated to filter the information that you have gathered. You can additionally sort your information. The images that you add to your content is a great source of helping you find the information, but so are the content tags. It's really important that when you're gathering information, that you both record why you're saving it and then tag it properly with the publisher, author, and date, because all of that information is going to be critical to help you find the information quickly. In addition to the search functions for each collection, we also have a global search. Here you can specify what you want to search, whether it's the headline, summary, publisher, author, and tags. So for example, if I put in over here curation, it will then give me a list and show me where this tag appears in all of the links that I have saved. And then I can quickly go there, or even when I click there, I can see the quick descriptions of the content that I have saved and proceed to find the information that I'm looking for in this way. Kurator can also help you alleviate your tab problem. Most people keep tabs open because they don't want to lose it, but with Kurator, you can save all of your important links inside of different folders, and from there you can very quickly, for example, search, let's say, dashboard. Now I can see all of the different dashboards that I use in order to manage my work and quickly get there. So I don't have to have everything open. I can keep a clean browser interface and open up my tabs whenever I need them. To be productive in our daily digital activity, we need a system to organize ourselves, and Kurator gives you the flexibility to save links into folders or collections that you can identify, tag them so that you can quickly retrieve them, and as we will show you in other lessons, also publish them and share them seamlessly once you set everything up. We are used to organizing ourselves in our daily lives. For example, our kitchen, our bedrooms, everything is compartmentalized. And to be productive in our digital life, to manage our second brain properly, we also need an effective method, and Kurator gives you the flexibility and the ease of use to organize and manage your information and then find them quickly.